one of the things with the German accent is that the TH is always a th, because they can't go the. They don't have the is not a, they don't use that in any words in Germany. Okay. So when they try to do a th sound, it comes out as a z, because they're trying to get that, but they don't stick their tongue between their teeth to get that sound. Also, whenever you see a V and a W, it's switched. So if you were to say, it's funny because I live in New Zealand normally, and so I always do this thing. It's very windy in Wellington. It's very windy in Wellington. So it's so instead of the V's are W's and the W's are V's.
Oh, so it's both ways. Okay. I thought it was just W to V. Gotcha.